I'd like to share with you a document that I've recently written with a colleague of mine. It is a real example of taking a draft and driving it to a finish line. We were asked to draft about a one-page document, and we met on the weekend, plugged in the laptop, projected it onto the computer screen, and we both worked together. This was the draft document that I had created prior to our meeting. Notice how the headings, I had headings in here because I'm a big believer in headings and subheadings to assist the reader in the skimming and scanning process. And I had an idea that we could put a chart summarizing the trip to Thailand. And this was the final product. Notice we started up here with an executive summary, but we did not write the executive summary until everything below was completed. We placed the headings in a question format, and we created these headings because we knew the reader specifically wanted to know how this trip would not be a vacation. And at the end, we had a question and we placed the chart, which is basically a summary of the information above. And we used action verbs: describe, discuss, answer the question, analyze, analyze. We kept them all action verbs at the beginning of a sentence. Over here, we kind of put the name of the company and then an explanation of what it is. So I hope this gives you an idea of moving from a rough draft to a final copy and the importance of headings and knowing the audience. We were specifically asked these questions. I hope this helps. Thank you.